Hey guys, Doug B here, your average axe-wielding hack. I am still going through suggestions that you guys sent, like this one from Ponderosa Sound Studio. Suggestion: can you make a video showing how to set up an expression pedal on an individual effect block within just a single preset? I already have my Pedal 1 set up through my FC12 Mark II as a global expression pedal per your video, but I am now needing to apply the expression pedal to control just a single effect block on a U2 preset I have. More specifically, I'm wanting to control a shimmer effect, the Ursa Major reverb preset, via an expression pedal, and it seems to be less intuitive to figure out how to set it up than I'd hoped. I'll keep thinking of more video/topic suggestions meantime. Thanks so much in advance. I put together a preset that uses one expression pedal to control an individual effect block and made 8 scenes using 8 different effect blocks. This preset has drive, chorus, phaser, flange, formant, rotary, delay, and reverb effect blocks. And they all have one parameter controlled by the expression pedal. Each effect block gets its own scene name. As you can see here, drive, chorus, phaser, flanger, formant, rotary, delay, and reverb. Now by this time you've already assigned your expression pedal to external 1. If not, watch my video on setting up your expression pedal. I'll post a link in the description. It is an old one though, maybe it's time for me to redo it. Ponderosa mentioned the Ursa Major type in the reverb block. Now there are 11 potential parameters in the reverb block that could be controlled by the expression pedal. 10 on the basic page, including bypass, and then mix on the pitch shift page. Now you can tell which parameters they are by the yellow circle between the knob and the name, like time, feedback, mix, input gain, mix, level, balance. The trick is in deciding which parameter you want to control via the expression pedal. You would right-click on the parameter you want controlled, for instance here, which brings up the Edit Modifier panel for that parameter. Right now we're just concerned about the Source 1 option in the upper left-hand corner. Click where it says None, and you will see a list of 75 potential controllers. Click on External 1, and now your expression pedal should be controlling that parameter. I have my expression pedal controlling the input gain parameter in the reverb block in Scene 8, but you may want to control something different. Try out controlling the various parameters and then save your preset when you find the right choice. So let's take a quick look at which parameter is being controlled by the expression pedal in each of the effect blocks. In the drive block, it's the drive parameter. In the chorus block, it's the depth parameter. In the phaser block, it's the depth parameter. In the flanger block, it's also the depth parameter. In the formant block, it's the control parameter. In the rotary block, it's the rate parameter. In the delay block, it's the feedback parameter. And then in the reverb block, it's the input gain parameter. You know, it's always been fairly easy using the expression pedal on the wah block in the first, maybe 100 factory presets. But now you can use your expression pedal to control all sorts of parameters on all sorts of blocks on your way to creating your own perfect preset. Drop me a line in the comments, let me know how it goes for you. All right, now this Monday is going to be part 6 of my interview with Austin Buddy. You do not want to miss that. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell. All right, guys, have a great weekend. I will see you on Monday.